This video is for you who had a consultation with one of our top hair loss experts about the microstrand technology. Remember, microstrand disappears one hair at a time, fed onto it becomes this. Since you didn't go ahead and order yet, it's absolutely fine, but we want you to know there's other options. And here's a special option that you should know about, all right? If you weren't in the right position at the time to order this, okay, to make your hair fuller. Here's another option. Go to our website and go to a shop page. Inside the shop page, there's different options. Here's what I mean by different. There's smaller options and more simplified customizations. So let me explain what I mean by more simplified customizations. When we customize one of these microstrands, they have diamond openings. See the diamond openings? And the diamond openings are sized from a large millimeter opening, like a 20 millimeter opening, all the way down to a 1 millimeter opening for a bald area, for like filling in my hair, all right, because I have no hair on the top. So by having different size openings, we're able to customize it very, very specifically. So let me give you an example. Let's say you have 90% thinness in the front and 50% thinness in the top. And the bottom you have 80% thinness, all right? Different percentages in different areas of thinness. Then we're gonna make a different size opening depending on how much hair you're contributing through it. So let's simplify. If you had in the top 50% thinness, we might do a 13 millimeter opening. And then you still needed some hair on the sides, but it wasn't as thin as the top, we might do a 15 millimeter opening. So in an elaborate customization like that, when we do this through a phone call, through a video phone call, we get very detailed like that. In addition to that, each opening comes in different densities. So we might put 60% hair here and 20% hair here as one of many examples. We can also mix multiple colors. We can also mix different highlights. We can also mix different textures. So when you're doing what we call an elaborate customization, we're doing it through a phone call like this. Now, to make things simpler, on the website under the shop page, you're gonna see many illustrations for filling in all different areas and sizes. Although they're less elaborate customizations, so they come in one opening size. That'll work on anyone or mostly anyone, okay? Except it won't be as precision or precise as when we speak to you over a video call to customize it very precisely. But nevertheless, the options online under our shop page will still be very helpful. Here's the reason why. Because we made the customizations less, one density, one microstrand opening, pick one color at a time, we're able to lower the prices. So the prices on the shop page are about 25% or even a little more less than we do through an elaborate customization when we're speaking to you over a video call. So there's a purpose for it, you know? If you want the elaborate customization, it's gonna work beautifully for you because we're gonna be super precise to exactly what you need. If you do it online on our shop page, it's gonna still work. It's just gonna be a little less customized, but you're gonna save more money. Now there's something else on that shop page. You're gonna find even tester sizes. Tester. What I mean by a test size, you can have thinness through the whole top, and you can see on an illustration on the shop page that there's a size maybe this big, maybe a 6x3 or a 4x5. You're gonna see other sizes that you can test. You can order something much more less of a cost online, even a smaller size, even lower of a cost, and you could just fill in a smaller area. Now that'll work. So let's say you're thin through an 8x8 area, a large area, and you just fill in the center top that's 4x5. It's still gonna work. It's gonna look like your hair just grew in there, okay? So it's still gonna work. And here's the kicker. If you get a smaller size, at any time you can order another section of the micro strand, and we can add that section to it and enlarge it at another date. So to summarize here, check out on this website, the shop page, and see many more options.